If you want your macro to look like this,
Moments later.
then this is what you need to do. So first what you want to do is open Synapse, and then once you've opened Synapse, scroll down to where you see macro. If you don't see macro, go to modules, and it should be here under available modules, and you can just click add. And then once you've installed it, go back to dashboard, click macro, and then once you have that, click this plus right here, and insert keystroke, and you want to make this your edit key. So for me, this will be F, and then I'm going to make the delay 0.001 seconds. So delete the 0 and just put 0.001, and then do that for this one too. Once you've got that, you want to go insert again, and then click mouse button. This mouse button should be left click, and you want to make this 0.001 delay too. Once you've got that, the only thing you have left to do is assign a keybind to it. So click this plus right here. You can either click your mouse or your keyboard or whichever device you have. Keep in mind that if you don't have a Razer device, then it won't show up. So I'm just going to click my keyboard, and let's say I want it to be on my up arrow key. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to click play while assign key is pressed. Then I'm going to click save, and then it should work. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 200 before the end of the year, and also join my Discord server. The link is in the description.